Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by granting camera access and opening your chosen scanner or camera app so you can begin immediately. Make sure the lens is clean and hold the phone steady. Roughly 30 to 50 cm works well for most codes. Once the app is ready, select the correct barcode type if required, QR versus linear UPC or EAN, and position the code inside the on-screen guide. You'll see autofocus engage, and the app will aim to detect contrast and edge. Now you center the barcode in the on-screen frame and keep your hand steady, because motion blurs detection. If the image looks soft, tap the screen to force focus, or enable flashlight when lighting is low. Avoid glare by angling slightly. Once the scanner reads the code, you'll get a visual cue or a sound. Do not move the phone until confirmation appears. Then check the decoded data for accuracy so you know it matched the intended product or link. Finally, act on the scanned output. Open the link, copy the numeric code, or save the result to a list and verify it's correct before proceeding. If the scanner fails, increase contrast by moving to better light, adjust distance, or switch to a different barcode mode. Once done, close the app. If problems persist, restart the app, toggle camera permission in settings, or try a second scanner app. These steps resolve most camera access or decoding issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.